Hello, I'm going to compare Notesnook versus Anytype versus Capacities, which note-taking application is better. So all three are privacy-focused note-taking apps. Notesnook emphasizes encryption and simplicity, Anytype uses a local-first, graph-based approach, and Capacities focuses on daily notes and connected knowledge with a modern UI. Pros: Notesnook end-to-end encryption, open source and user-friendly. Anytype fully offline first with peer-to-peer syncs and strong visual database structure. Capacities best for visual thinkers, supports bidirectional links, templates, and beautiful daily dashboards. Cons: Notesnook, limited advanced organization features, not ideal for power users, and type still in beta-like stage, since an UI feel experimental and may confuse new users. Capacities, steeper learning curve, some users find it overwhelming or overly complex for simple tasks. In conclusion, choose Notesnook for a secure, minimalist experience, and type for offline first power users wanting modular structure, and Capacities if you want a polished, connected system for deep contextual knowledge work.